right now, there's an AI gold rush almost nobody's talking about because everyone's too busy staring at the shiny stuff. And while the whole internet tries to make money with AI agents or vibe-coded apps, normal people who want to get ahead with AI that aren't nerding out over the tech have found a way to capitalize on it. And they understand one simple thing. AI created a gap in the market between people who know how to use it and people who don't. And until now, that gap has been filled with tech nerds who talk at a high level but can't relate to the average person. And because of this, there's actually a gap inside of the gap. And that gap is exactly how I've gotten my AI agency to $25 million in revenue. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you what this new gold rush is and how you can build a 7-figure business with it. Let's get into it. So the gap is fairly simple. Right now we have a bunch of people that are building flashy automations and workflows that are trying to work for big companies or the internet economy, and it's left a big gaping hole in the market for people who can service the old economy. Because most business owners know that AI is a thing and that it's useful, but have no idea what they're doing, nor will they understand technical jargon. All they really want is someone to come in, provide a solution that leverages AI, and clearly convey the value in a way that just makes sense to them. They want it in simple terms with a clear explanation of what the AI solution will achieve and how it will work. That's the gold rush people are neglecting right now. Become the AI whisperer. Be the person that brings this technology to the older generation. People who don't have the time to, but also don't want to understand it, right? My mom and dad could care less, but these people, they will pay you in this gold rush. Now, knowing the gold rush exists is one thing, but you also need to know who you're gonna help, who you're gonna actually make money from. And right now, there's a lot of desperate business owners, and they know AI is coming for their industry, and they know they'll fall behind without it if they don't adapt. They just have zero ability to install it themselves, and they don't have any interest in figuring that out. They spend the night thinking, my competitor's gonna figure this out before I do, and I'm gonna get left behind, and that's exactly the relief that you're gonna sell them. It's really that simple, but there's one type of business that can actually pay you for this. Okay, it's the boring brick and mortar businesses on every single street corner that you see whenever you're driving to the gym or you're walking your dog. It's the med spas, the gym owners, the dentists, the chiropractors, the roofers, the HVAC owners. These businesses solve problems that never disappear. And every single one of them shares the same problem. They need more customers and they know they can use AI to solve it, but they have no clue how. The opportunity is really simple. You're gonna help a boring local business get more customers, and you're solving an old problem with a new tool, and it's the safest bet in business because you're not gambling to see if people will pay for this. You already know that they're willing to pay for it. Okay, and so now you know you're gonna help, but knowing which business to target is only half of it, because if you walk up to those owners with the wrong thing to sell, you'll end up competing on price and getting paid almost nothing, and really wasting a ton of time and being very frustrated. The mistake almost every single beginner I see make selling AI is they're only selling and providing one service, one automation, one chatbot, one app, or one marketing service. And what that mistake ends up creating is you can almost envision a business kind of like a bucket full of water, but the bucket has a bunch of holes in it. When you're only providing one solution, you're only patching one of those holes. So what inevitably ends up happening is that bucket pours out tons and tons of water, which only allows them to make a little bit of money, which then only allows them to justify paying you a little bit of money. So you need to stop selling a single solution and start selling an AI system and connect every AI service into one end-to-end machine that plugs every single hole at once. That way no water spills out and they can pay you a lot of money, because now the bucket will actually hold the water and the business makes more money and they can pay you a lot because you're worth a lot, because you're providing a system, not one-off thing. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. That's Aristotle. So it's only fitting we sell what I call the Aristotle system. And the simplest way to think about each part is an AI employee with one job, with all of them combined outperforming anything they do alone. And let's start with the first AI employee. Okay, and so the first AI employee that we're gonna deploy is one that reactivates the database of leads for these businesses. And so a lot of these businesses have a ton of leads in their database and they don't do anything with it. The data shows that on average, business owners only follow up with 27% of their new leads. And so what that means is that there's a ton of leads in their database that are kind of collecting dust that they're not doing anything with. So all we do is plug the AI in to their database of leads, reach back out to them, and then drive them through the door so that the staff doesn't have to lift a finger, and neither does the owner. And they're now able to generate money without spending any money on marketing, because we're just re-engaging their old leads through AI and SMS. The second AI agent that we're going to deploy is the reviews and referrals employee. And so really all this is going to do is it's just going to follow up with customers, asking them how their experience was, and then getting them to leave reviews. And then from there, what it's going to do is follow up with them, asking them for referrals. And so the reason why this is valuable is because what the data shows is that 98% of people reference reviews before making a purchasing decision to become a customer. I'm sure you've probably done that before. But what's kind of crazy is that only 11% of staff members, employees, and business owners ask people for reviews. Yet 98% of people reference them before they become a customer. And so for that reason, we're going to help them get reviews without them having to lift a finger, just plugging AI into their new customer report whenever they get sales. And then in addition to that, we're going to respond to those reviews for them. And then we're also going to follow up with people that leave those reviews after, asking for referrals to get them more leads, again, without spending any money on marketing. The third AI employee that we're going to deploy is the website lead nurturing agent. And so all that we're going to do here is we're going to plug AI into their website so that whenever somebody submits a form, the AI agent will follow up with them with SMS to qualify them, book an appointment, get them to show up. And then if they don't show up, it will even handle rebooking them, basically re-nurturing them, re-reaching out to them to get them to book again, to get them to show up again, to then come in so that the staff doesn't have to lift a finger. The reason why this is important is because the data shows that on average, local brick and mortar business owners follow up with leads within 42 hours. And the data also shows that if you follow up with leads within less than 5 minutes, your chances of turning them into a customer increase by over 400%. And that was according to a Harvard study done back in 2017 across over 1,000 brick and mortar businesses. So it's a lot worse now, considering things have gotten a lot worse when it comes to the attention span of people. And for that reason, that's why we deploy that 1/3, because again, we're just tapping into the low-hanging fruit that they already have, that they're not doing a good job monetizing. And the fourth AI employee that we're going to deploy is the AI receptionist. And so all this is going to do is answer any calls that come in that the staff or owner does not pick up. The reason why this is valuable is because on average, brick and mortar business owners across America miss 62% of inbound calls. And the reason why that's important is because when people are calling into these businesses, they're literally trying to become a customer. They might just have a couple questions and that's it, and then they're ready to go. But the other issue with this is when these businesses don't answer those calls, most of the time these customers are just going to call another business and then go there, or basically go to whoever answers first. And so because of this, we just plug AI into their system so that after 10 seconds, if no one picks it up, the AI picks it up for them and then books the appointment. And then from there, our system will follow up with them to confirm the appointment via text. And then if they don't show up to the appointment, it will then handle rebooking them, just like with the website agent. And the fifth AI employee that we're going to install is the sales trainer. The reason why we're going to install a sales trainer is because on average, 70% of small local brick and mortar business owners, their staff, only 70% of them report that they've received any type of sales training to be able to convert more customers for their job. But what the data also shows is that the people that do receive formal sales training, they see a massive uptick, over 50% increase in sales. Shocker. And so what we do is we create an AI agent that builds a script for them and then can role play with them. And then once they actually start taking sales, they can record them and then upload their transcript into it. And then it will grade them on a scale of 1 to 10 based off the different sections of the sales process and give them feedback on that so that they can get better. And ultimately they can receive some type of formal sales training, which the business owner or the sales manager doesn't have to do. They don't have to lift a finger to do that. It's just automated, leveraging AI. And so one other thing I want to show you is I got this valuation done by a company called Value Buddy, which shows what they said my business was worth, which is right here. And you can see it's a very big document that went through literally everything. It's literally 55 pages long, literally showing everything. And the reason I'm making this video is that I'm looking to eventually sell my business, my agency. And my broker told me that if I can help 3 to 4 other people build the same thing and roll it up into a portfolio, instead of getting a 4x multiple, we could get an 8 to 15x. That would take my business from being worth about $5 million to $10 to $15 million with literally no additional work, just helping other operators do what I've already done. So if you're serious about building this, you can apply to work with me directly through the link below. We'll have a one-on-one conversation. I'll be able to determine whether I think you're a good fit or not. And if you are, great. If not, no big deal. I'll keep giving you the free value regardless. And the sixth AI employee that we deploy, now that we've been able to get them more appointments coming through with reactivations without spending money on ads, get more reviews and more referrals, which are free leads without spending money on ads, and then get more social proof through the reviews. From there, right, we're following up with their leads that they're getting organically through their website to capitalize on that low-hanging fruit. And then we're also connecting a receptionist to answer the phone if their staff doesn't answer it, to make sure they've just got this ironclad system in place to ensure no falls through the cracks. And then on top of that, we're also helping them get better at sales, which then puts them teed up in a position to do what we will finally do last. And that's why this system is so effective and so powerful. It's taken me 7.5 years to figure this out in this specific sequential order, why it's so powerful. But finally, what we do is we provide them with paid ads with lead nurturing, because now at this point, they are positioned properly to actually monetize paid advertising successfully. One of the biggest issues that most people run into when they start an agency, and one of the biggest issues that brick and mortar business owners run into when they work with agencies, is that they work with people that just run paid ads for them. And they might even nurture the leads through the paid ad. But if you don't do those other 5 things I just mentioned, chances are they're not going to make money from the service. And what's going to end up happening is they're going to stop working with you after a month. The reason why I have people that have worked with me for years is because I do all of this. But it's taken me a long time to figure this out. And that's again why we do this. And so all we're doing here is we're literally just placing ads for them on Facebook and Instagram. Once leads opt in, just like if someone were to go to their website, we're following up with them via SMS, plugging AI into it to nurture the lead, qualify the lead, book the lead, get the lead to show up. And if the lead does not show up, it will then handle rescheduling them for another time that works for the business, so that the staff doesn't have to do it. They don't have to mess with the marketing, and they don't have to mess with the lead nurturing. And one thing people will kind of say is, wow, that's a whole lot. That's not for beginners. And the reality is, it's never been easier than ever before to do this stuff with AI and everything. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do marketing, because I would imagine maybe you don't have any experience in marketing. And I can remember when I first got into this, I was so scared of marketing, but I'm going to show you literally how easy it is. All you have to do is go to Google. You need to find an agency that's already dominant, just like mine. Let's say, for example, you're trying to work with gyms. You want to go to their newest reviews, and then you want to find somebody that left them a review, right? You can see this is somebody that left my company a really great recent review. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy her name. I'm going to go over to Google. I'm going to put her name in. And as you can see, this is her right here. So I'm literally going to click on her LinkedIn profile. And now what I'm going to be able to find out is that she owns Alloy Personal Training. Now, Alloy is a franchise. And so what I'm going to look for here is what's the specific location she owns. And she owns Alloy Personal Training West Arvada. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this post and I'm going to copy Alloy Personal Training West Arvada. And then I'm going to go over to the Facebook ad library, which is a tool that's free. And it literally will show you all of the ads that are running on Facebook. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the name of her business so that I can see what ads are being run, because now what this is going to show me is the ads that my company is running for her. And so the reason why we want to do this is because my company's worked with over 2,000 gyms. My business partner that was a customer of mine 6 years ago, that's been my business partner now for 4 years, because we were able to get him better results than any other agency he'd ever worked with. He owns 140 gyms, right? We've got a lot of experience. And so my point in mentioning that, I'm not saying it to brag, I'm just saying it to say, you want to model what's already proven to work. My company has already spent literally over $25 million on ads for gym owners, figuring out exactly what works. And so you just want to model it because you know that it's battle tested. And so that's literally as easy as it is to figure out how to run ads for these businesses. You simply just need to find a company that's already done it. And so one other thing I want to show regarding Christina is I recently did a testimonial with her, and this just illustrates what I was saying earlier about the biggest mistake that everyone makes, just providing one service. In this testimonial here that I'm going to play a couple seconds for you all, is she's talking about how she worked with a company before that just ran ads for her, and it worked decently well for a little bit, and then it plummeted and it started doing terrible, and it did so bad to the point that she didn't even think marketing worked in her market, because she was so disappointed because they only did that one thing. Now I'm going to show you what she had to say about working with us running the whole entire system, and how it compares to what everyone else literally does.
For a year and a half, we were doing paid marketing. Initially, we had a pre-sale, and we were working with a vendor that had come recommended at that time through our franchisor, and we had initial pop, getting 10 plus quality leads a day. It was like, everything was looking great. And then I would say after 3 months, you start to see diminishing returns on that investment. At 6-month mark, it was pretty bad. And we would try different offers and try to iterate. But one, I didn't feel like I felt like I was having to come to the table and say, hey, what's going on here? What can we do? How can we problem solve this? So just sort of that proactive problem solving. And then I got to a point, honestly, where I was like, paid social just doesn't work. It's saturated. It sucks. Like, our market sucks. There's tons of options. And even though I was, so I paused it for a little while. I'd turn it back on, and we'd get, poor quality lead volume. And, this wasn't my area of expertise per se. So I just kind of assumed like this is what the landscape was like. And then through a fellow Alloy owner and friend, we got introduced to your company, Gym Members Now. And there were a few things that impressed me just in our first, introductory call. One was just your thoughtfulness and methodologies and how you're incorporating AI into being smarter, saving our team time. And I'm Christine.
If you watch the whole thing, she literally says that she's been growing like crazy. And she's in Colorado where during the summertime, people go outside. They're not going inside to work out and exercise. Colorado is literally the biking capital of the world. And in the summer, it's beautiful. And her gym is growing exponentially in the middle of summer, which is unprecedented. And it's because of the system that we provide, right? So trust me when I tell you, it's been battle tested. It's why I've been able to make so much money. It's taken me a long time to figure this out. And that's why I'm telling you to do it. And I did say at the start of this, right, that I made a lot of money doing it. A lot of people say a lot of crazy things when it comes to making money with AI. So I'm just going to show you right here. This is proof. This is one of my payment processors over the last 12 weeks. I can't show it over the last 12 months or the last 24 months, sorry. It doesn't let me show you, but I can extract it like I did here and show you this. So we have over 6,000 transactions on this payment processor that I've been on for the last like 23 months. You can see right here, this is the total amount we've invoiced people. And then now if I go right here, this is a report from Alan, which is a payment processor that Alex Ramosi used to own that we ran over $9.9 million through. This is one account where you can see 839 grand. Right here, you can see 400 grand. This one's got 72,000. This is one of our main accounts with 4.8 million. This is another one of our accounts with 682,000. And then you can see right here, here's another one with 3 million, and the total ended up being that. And then from here, we used to use Stripe. We now use Sense. This is one of our accounts before we stopped using it. Here's another one. And then here is another one, 90, 1.35. And then finally, right here with $945,000. And so now the final thing that I want to show you is how to actually get leads. And so one of the biggest issues that people make is now you know what to actually provide, but how do you actually get customers? And what most every beginner does is they cold call, they cold email, they cold DM. Some people even door knock, which is absurd. It's really not the right way to do it. And so running ads is really the best way to go about doing this. The issue with running ads is if you've never run ads before, and if you have no idea what works, you have to spend money to figure out what works, and it can be very expensive. However, I've already spent millions of dollars figuring this out. And so what you're looking at right now is my ad account, where you can see yesterday we generated 14 leads for $8 per lead. If I go over here, this is another person that I help. He works with realtors. He had never run ads before in his life. I gave him the exact ads to run. He's getting leads for $3.69. This guy works with med spas. You can see literally today, he generated 6 leads for $7.90. He's never run ads before in his life. I just showed him exactly what to do. And then this guy right here as well, he goes after insurance agents. You can see literally today, he got 11 leads for $1.66. If I go to maximum on his, he's gotten 514 leads on average for $2.84 per lead. And I even put together this GPT, which will literally make ads for you for any industry you want to go after. You just have to tell it what industry. It will make the copy, it will make the headline, it will make the description, and it will even make the creative for you. It literally requires zero critical thinking because I've already figured this stuff out. All you have to do is plug it in. If you want this, just comment below. I'll be able to send it to you and you can get access to this and you'll be able to make ads that work. You really don't have to think about it. I've already done the work. I already know what works. It's really that simple and it's a lot easier than cold calling. All right, so now you've got the same system I sell in my $25 million AI agency, and you even have the ads that I run. But here's the thing, knowing the system and actually getting people to pay you money, closing the deals, are two completely different skills. And that's exactly where basically everyone falls apart. They can get leads, they can get people on the phone, and then they fumble the close and they walk away thinking the system doesn't work, when in reality, they don't know the process or the conversation to have to get people to pay them. Getting leads is literally the easy part. I just showed you that. Closing them is where the rubber meets the road. It's where the money is at. And you can't get AI to do that part for you. It takes real skills. It takes real critical thinking. So I made a video where I closed over $1 million in AI deals live, real call, so you can watch the exact words I use and how I handle objections so that you can get people to say yes. And if you're serious about building this, that's the video you need to watch next. Click it right here and I'll see you in there.